Hi, this is Sonia with Eco Enclose, and I'm here today to show you how to use this Giami Greenwrap dispenser. This is our alternative to bubble wrap, a paper version, which is SFI certified and curbside recyclable. You'll notice that I didn't mention recycled paper, and that is because of the need for a tensile strength for the paper itself, because we do have to apply some tension there to get this product to work. So in the video, we'll be going over how to set up the dispenser and also how to adjust the tension on that so that your little honeycombs will expand to make the paper what it needs to be, and also how to wrap that and then place in your box. All right, so we have our Greenwrap dispenser and the tools that we need. The box cutter for opening the box. You'll need a scissors for opening the tape that's on the rolls inside, and we're going to use our tape measure for measuring the product after we've wrapped it. So first step would be to take your box cutter and, cutting away from you, just go ahead and cut that tape off. Set that aside. You just open up the top as such, and your Greenwrap dispenser is inside. You don't need this piece of cardboard. And you will tip it over to the side, and you can either pull it out or you can dump it upside down. So this is actually the bottom of your Greenwrap, so you will put that upright. You do have your instructions inside, which will go over the steps that we're doing in the video. You have a bag with your clip. This is to hold your Greenwrap dispenser on the counter or the table. And you do have holes where you can screw that into your surface if you wish. You have your tension roll adjuster, which goes into the side, into the hole provided. And then your clip will go onto the dispenser on the bottom. It has a little notch where it will hold the back of your dispenser, and then this clip will fasten onto the edge of your surface, which we'll flip that around in just a moment. So for your scissors, you're going to take that to cut this piece of tape off of the tissue roll. And then also for your Greenwrap paper on the side. So as you notice, you've got your two paper rolls. Take those out. One is your die cut paper, so after you adjust your tension in the dispenser itself, it's going to expand those honeycombs for you. And then you also have your tissue paper roll, and this is to protect your product from scuffing, because this paper can get a little bit abrasive. So we're going to flip our machine around. We're going to move our dispenser to the end of a table or a counter, and so that that clip can hold it nice and secure while you're dispensing. Now that we've got our clip in place, you're going to take the ends of each paper roll and run it through the bottom. And then we'll pull that die cut paper layer through, pulling them to meet at the end. And what I do when I'm first starting it out is I roll up a couple layers and then grab it from both sides, because you're going to want to be able to provide the adequate tension that you need. So as you see, these honeycombs really aren't expanding, and so we're going to want to adjust our tension. So I'm going to test it out some more. And that looks like it's just about perfect. I'm just going to do one more turn. And that looks right. So we're going to measure our candle or product, whatever you have. And for glass items like this, we want to add 1 to 2 inches of cushioning, which is 2 inches is standard for fragile shipments, but it'll be up to you as to how much you add and the weight of your item and the fragility. So you take your dimensions for the candle. That would be the height, and then the diameter I just take from the bottom. So that's about 3 7/8 for that. All right, so we're going to take our product, and for this type of cylindrical product, it's just like a burrito wrap is what I call that. We're going to start with putting it on the edge, and you're going to pull the paper out as you're rolling it up, and that allows those honeycombs to expand, and that's what's giving you the cushioning for your product. I'm going to do several rolls here, and then I'm going to wrap the ends, and then I'm going to keep rolling, and then I'm going to finish it off. So this is a product where you can either tear the end or you can cut the end. So to tear it, you just hold it and then pull it. Now that we have our product wrapped and it's ready to go in your box, if there is any additional space, you could fill that with some void fill of your choice. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please do feel free to reach out to us at egoenclose.com or phone number 888-445-6575. Happy shipping!